Hello everybody, it's Jen, Scrapbena Creations. I'm so excited to be guest designing this month for the Love from Lizi kit. This is the September 2018 Super Kit, and it is celebrating Love from Lizi's second birthday. So exciting. This kit is absolutely adorable, so I'm going to go through the contents quickly just so you can get a sense of what products I'll be working with, and stay tuned in the next few days, hopefully for a 10 card video. So in this kit, you're going to get a light purple, a dark purple, a kind of slate gray, black, and a Copic friendly white sheet of full-size cardstock. There's also some specialty paper in the kit. This is a shiny cardstock. It's really heavyweight. So you get the black, the slate or kind of granite gray, the blush, and like a caramel beigey tan kind of color. Really pretty. So those are the specialty cardstocks, and then you can see here these are the full-sized cardstocks in the kit. This month there's also a large sheet of a creamy yellowish beige kind of colored cardstock that goes really pretty with the lighter yellowish kind of beigey tones in the kit. So you get some decoupage sheets, which I've never played with, but I'm super excited to layer these up. If you're not familiar with decoupage, there's different layers that you can add some foam adhesive to and build a dimensional character. And then there's a number of sentiments that come on this sheet as well. So super, super cute. And I'll just turn it sideways here so you can see that it's quite a large sized piece of paper. Lizi also had her first 6x6 paper pad manufactured for her company for this specific kit. It's really pretty. It's called Happy Haunting. You get 12 single-sided patterns. These are the patterns here. These are really beautiful. They remind me of almost like a glitter, sandy, granite kind of pattern. So you get the 4 different colors in that. It's really shiny cardstock, really pretty. You get some patterns here, and then you get 3 pieces of the skull paper, one in black, one in white, and one in a goldy beigey color, and then 2 of the spider web patterns. This one here is more of a kind of muted paper, and this one has the same kind of flecks in it as these pieces do. So super fun. Can't wait to play with those pattern papers. This super kit also comes with this adorable stamp set. I love these little characters. They're going to be so fun to color and perhaps paper piece as well. And you get 3 sentiments: Happy Halloween, Spooky, and Trick or Treat. This month the dies are also included in the kit, which is awesome. So it cuts out the 3 girls, and it also cuts out the skull, the bow, and the little potion bottle. Some peel off strips, which I'm so excited to have in my collection. This is a gorgeous light purple color. So pretty. And then this stencil, I absolutely love this spider web design. I cannot wait to get my hands and play with this stencil as well. Super, super, super cute. I'm so excited. I hope you guys are excited to see me create with this kit as well. So we just have the embellishment pack. So here's what you get this month in the embellishment pack. There's these really beautiful ribbons, the Happy Haunting ribbon set with 5 different ribbons that you can play with. There's some Brusho in black, which I have never used, and I'm excited to try my hand at that. There's a full-size pack of sequins, which are really beautiful. All different sizes with the purples and white and black and gold. Just stunning. And this you can buy separately in the shop as well. There's some wood pieces. I'll take those out in a second and show you those. A full-size Nouveau crystal drop in Wisteria purple. Beautiful. And then the ephemera pack, which I cannot wait to see in person. There's 37 pieces. So I'll open up these 2 packages and show you some of the contents from that. Here's a look at the wood pieces. Oh my goodness, I am in love with this little bat and the ghosts. They're super cute, adorable. So here are the ephemera pieces. There's a number of the girl images, so if you don't want to color up the stamps and make some quick cards, you can use those to make super cute cards. My favorite in the collection is this little black cat. Isn't she just sweet? The owl is adorable. Look at this little bat with the big ears. So cute. I love the color palette of this kit. These girls are absolutely beautiful as well. Such a great super kit. Unfortunately, this kit has sold out. It was late shipping to the designers because of some issues with production. So kind of bad news bears at the end of this video, but I hope you're excited to see what I create. There's also some beautiful florals in this kit if you don't want to make a Halloween card. So I am going to make something with the florals as well. So thanks everybody for watching. Stay tuned for a 10 card video using this kit. Have a great day and I will see you soon. Bye!